How to remove TikTok Q&A. So all you have to do is to go here to your TikTok application, and then here it will lead you to your home page, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options there. You'll see home, shop, plus icon or create a content icon, inbox and profile. Tap on profile there. Now the next thing that you want to do here is on the upper right, you'll see 3 dash lines there, right? Tap on that, and here tap on creator tools. So there are 3 options. You will see my QR code, settings and privacy, and of course creator tools. Tap on that, and here you will see there is a general section there. So under general section you will see analytics, creator portal, promote, Q&A. So tap on Q&A here, and then to be able to actually remove TikTok Q&A is on the upper right. You'll see 3 dots there. Tap on that, and then here show on profile, just toggle that off so that you won't be able to allow others to see your questions and answer by tapping on your Q&A profile. So there will be no Q&A on your profile if you toggle that off and tap on no one here. And basically you have successfully removed TikTok Q&A. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.